Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, we're making cherry chocolate chip cookies with maraschino cherries. So we want to preheat our oven to 350 and line a couple of baking sheets with either parchment paper or a silk pad. Okay, first we'll get our dry ingredients together in a small bowl. So we're going to need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, or 270 grams. Now to that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now you're going to whisk all that together and then set aside till we need it. Okay, we need 1 cup or 226 grams or 2 sticks of softened butter. Now we're going to put that in a medium bowl. Now we're going to beat that just for a second before we add in our sugars. Then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 1/2 a cup of granulated sugar. We're going to mix that up really well before we continue. Then we're going to add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yeah, we'll get that in there with the other wet ingredients and beat that until fully combined. Then we're going to add in our dry ingredients and 2 cups of chocolate chips and 3/4 of a cup of maraschino cherries chopped. And we'll mix those in with the spatula. So now with a small cookie scoop, we're going to scoop them out onto our prepared sheet tray. We're going to bake for 12 to 15 minutes and then let them cool on the pan for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. So there you go, cherry chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy! If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.